Hi, starting right away, this is Shikiori Rikyucha fountain pen ink. It comes in a tiny 20 ml bottle. And this is not an ink sample, in case you are wondering. Generally, Japanese fountain pen ink come in a smaller bottle. I'm swatching a few Shikiori fountain pen inks in this video, if that interests you. I'm swatching this brown tone ink using a Kakimori dip pen on a Muji notebook. At first, I thought this was brown ink, but it looks more like a dark olive color. This is a water-based ink formulated specifically for fountain pens. The next ink I'm swatching is Shikiori Yamadori. If you're not into fountain pens, you can find these colors in their brush pen set. However, I don't think you can get the same sheening effect by using the brush pens. At first, it looked like a muted dark blue color, but once it's dry, it looks more like a dark teal color. Even though these inks come in a small bottle, you can still refill your fountain pen countless times. The negative side is, you may not want to trade ink samples with your friends if you really love the color. Next, we have Shikiori Waka-Uguisu. Since I'm not Japanese, I apologize if my pronunciation is way off. The color of this ink is similar to grass green. So far, the performance of these inks is identical, and they are not too dry for fountain pens. You can find this ink cheaper on Amazon. I will link them in the description if you want to try them. If you love using a dip pen, these inks are flawless for my Kakimori dip pen. The last ink from this purchase is Shikiori Yonaga. This is a deep blue ink with a purple undertone. This is a great alternative blue ink if you want something different. It doesn't look like typical blue ink when you write with it, and it won't look like purple ink in your writing. Next, I'm showing you some close-up after they are all dry. I try to film this swatching process as true color as possible, but keep in mind that depending on what kind of devices you use, the colors may differ. Out of all four, I think my favorites are Rikyucha and Yamadori. I love seeing the purple sheen in a dark teal color. I don't see any sheening on Waka-Uguisu. It's still a gorgeous green though. Have you tried any of the Sailor's fountain pen inks? Which color is your favorite? Personally, I collect many green inks and this Waka-Uguisu looks similar to Diamond Sugar Snap without the shimmering effect. So it can be a great option if you don't want to put shimmering ink in your precious fountain pen. I have heard shimmering ink could clog your fountain pens, so be aware if you like shimmering inks. I'm attending the DC Pen Show next week, so it's likely I will bring back more inks to swatch. Please subscribe if you like ink swatching videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!